Hello all, welcome to Healing Harmony. So, how is your day? Hope you are all fine. I am fine here. So, you are having a good day or a bad day today? Even it is a bad day, don't take it in that sense. It's life. There can be good times and bad times. When you are going through bad times, take it in a positive note and bring positivity in that so that you can reduce the stress and anxiety related to that on those times. So this helps in improving your overall mental, physical and psychological health. Okay. So before starting the session, I just want to tell you, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you will be getting notifications whenever I post new videos that are very beneficial for everyone. So today I am really excited to share with you another mudra. It is Bhramara Mudra. Bhramara Mudra, the B Mudra. So the Bhramara Mudra, also known as the B Mudra, is a powerful hand gesture in yoga and Ayurveda that is primarily used to alleviate allergies, improve immunity, and enhance respiratory health. Named after the Sanskrit word Bhramara, meaning bee. This mudra mimics the shape of a bee and is associated with the qualities of bee, such as productivity, vitality, and resilience. So let's check how to perform Bhramara Mudra. As always, sit in a comfortable position with your back straight and shoulders relaxed. You can sit cross-legged on the floor or on a chair with your feet flat on the ground. Next, form the mudra. Bring your index finger to touch the base of your thumb. Place the tip of your thumb on the side of your middle finger. Extend your ring and little fingers gently away from each other. Perform this mudra with both hands and rest them on your knees with palms facing upward. Once again, bring your index finger to touch the base of your thumb. Place the tip of your thumb on the side of your middle finger. Extend your ring and little fingers gently away from each other. Perform this mudra with both hands. Now let's check what are the breathing techniques that can be or exercises that can be accompanied with this Bhramara Mudra. It's always good to incorporate breathing techniques with such exercises. This will help in enhancing the quality of the result. So, combining Bhramara Mudra with specific breathing exercise can enhance its benefits, particularly in managing allergies and improving overall respiratory health. Here are the two breathing exercises to practice along with Bhramara Mudra. First is the deep diaphragmatic breathing. So after holding Bhramara Mudra with your both hands, you have to close your eyes, take a slow, deep breathe in through your nose, allowing your diaphragm to expand and your abdomen to rise. Hold your breath for a moment. Exhale slowly and completely through your nose, allowing your abdomen to fall naturally. Focus on the breath flowing in and out, creating a sense of calm and relaxation. You can continue this deep diaphragmatic breathing for 5 to 10 minutes. Gradually increase the duration as you become more comfortable with the practice. Second breathing technique is Nadi Shodhana or alternate nostril breathing. So after doing the deep diaphragmatic breathing, you can do this breathing technique. For this one, you have to close your right nostril with your right thumb and inhale slowly and deeply through your left nostril. Close your left nostril with your right ring finger and hold your breath for a moment. Release your right nostril and exhale slowly and completely through your right nostril. Inhale slowly and deeply through your right nostril. Close it with your right thumb. Hold for a moment and exhale through your left nostril. You can continue this breathing technique for 5 to 10 minutes. This technique helps in balancing the right and left hemispheres of the brain, promoting its overall mental clarity and relaxation. So, what are the benefits of Bhramara Mudra? First major benefit is it can help in giving relief from allergies. Bhramara Mudra, also known for its effectiveness in reducing allergic reaction. So it helps to clear the nasal passages and alleviate symptoms such as sneezing, running nose and itchy eyes. It's also improving immunity. That is, regular practice of this mudra strengthens the immune system, making the body more resilient to infections and illness. It also helps in improving respiratory health. This mudra enhances lung function and can be beneficial for individuals with respiratory issues such as asthma and bronchitis. It promotes better breathing and clears congestion. It also promotes in enhanced digestion. This mudra aids in improving digestion by stimulating the digestive organs and promoting better metabolism. Other than that, it also helps in detoxification. Practice of Bhramara Mudra supports the body's natural detoxification process, helping to eliminate toxins and purify the blood. One more thing you have to make note of it is you should be always stay hydrated before and after your practice, because proper hydration supports the body's detoxification process. So while doing Bhramara Mudra, you should understand that it can help in alleviating allergic symptoms. But it is not a substitute for medications prescribed by a doctor. So continue any prescribed treatments and use this mudra as a complementary practice. While doing this mudra, pay attention to how your body feels during and after the practice. If you experience any discomfort or adverse effects, stop the practice and consult a healthcare professional. Now let's check allergies that can be reduced with Bhramara Mudra. So this Bhramara Mudra is known for its potential benefits in managing and alleviating various types of allergies by practicing. So let's check by practicing this mudra regularly which are the allergies from which you can be freed from. The first one is respiratory allergies. So like hay fever or allergic rhinitis. This mudra can help reduce symptoms such as sneezing, runny nose, nasal congestion and itchy eyes commonly associated with allergic rhinitis. Another one is asthma. Bhramara Mudra may assist in managing asthma symptoms by improving lung function and reducing inflammation in the respiratory tract. The other one is skin allergies, that is eczema and hives. That is, regular practice of this mudra may help soothe the inflammation and itchiness associated with eczema. This also helps in reducing the frequency and severity of hives caused by allergic reactions. This mudra also helps in alleviating food allergies. While Bhramara Mudra is not a cure for food allergies, it can help manage the symptoms and reduce the body's hypersensitivity response. Next is dust and pollen allergies. This mudra can help mitigate the symptoms caused by exposure to dust and pollen including sneezing, coughing, and itchy eyes. This mudra can also help in alleviating pet allergies. That is, practicing this mudra helps in reducing symptoms such as nasal congestion, sneezing, and itchy skin caused by pet dander. Another one is insect bite allergies. This can help in reducing the inflammatory response and itchiness resulting from insect bites. So, Bhramara Mudra works by balancing the immune system and reducing the body's hypersensitivity to allergens. It promotes relaxation and stress reduction, which in turn can help the body manage allergic reactions more effectively. By enhancing the overall immune function, this mudra helps the body respond more appropriately to allergens without overreacting. That is what we want. So this mudra can balance all those allergens and thereby reducing its overreaction to such allergens. So you can practice this mudra regularly and in conjunction with any prescribed treatments for the best results. So if you found this information helpful, please like, share and subscribe to Healing Harmony for more insights on holistic health practices. So before going, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe this channel. Okay, once again subscribe and go. We will meet in another video with another exciting mudra practice. Till then, bye bye, take care.